Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another vlog with the girl CrazeeTash. So on today's vibe, we're getting ready to go to a little birthday party, a little sweet 16 birthday party. So we literally just showered, and as usual we're behind time, so we don't even have no time to tarry. So we're about to do our makeup and stuff. I have on my robe and stuff, so we're gonna do our makeup and things. So I have my little makeup bag right here. I'm gonna get myself together. But how are you guys doing? People are tired. I'm so tired. I don't know, and I don't know when I'm actually gonna get some rest, because it's just not happening. I look like the girl to get rest, and I just cannot. Not me doing my face without any mirror, and I use the camera. Ugh, hold on. With glasses on. What is going on with me? No, I need that. Not even prime my face. No, nothing. Alright, I think we're ready for true. I think we're ready. So we'll have our little Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. So let's freshen up our face with that. If you're hearing any noise, it's the fan in the background and thing. I'm not gonna bring you guys through this. We're gonna speed up through this, but yeah, I'm tired. I had to slack off. This was Sunday, so I didn't post a video last week Sunday, so I didn't have any content. And I had a video, but it was a while back, but actually watching it I didn't really like it, so I'm like, I'm not gonna force myself and post something I'm gonna like. So yeah.
Girl, you are the one, oh me baby. Girl, you are the one. Your body hot, so you want a sturdy man. Back it up for the dandy journey long. Your body righty, your body righty. Oh, you're righty. I love it, me love it. You are my wifey. Set it up now, come girl. Take your time with the body, darling. Not on a 6:30 because you're back in order. Sit down for this, sit down for this, sit down for the jockey. Sit down for this, sit down for this, sit down for the jockey. Your body gonna be one fit touch you. Your body gonna that's why me love you. Sit down for this, sit down for this, sit down for the jockey. Sit down for this, sit down for the jockey. Back it up with me tip on your toe. Sexy, me love that tick for me slaw. Wind up your hip, ride rhythm for me slaw. Pretty body, mommy pose, double six that me know. From you know, fi bubble quick for me now. Squeeze up me body, muscle grip for me now. Wow. Your body pretty like a Hispanic. Do this for me now, go twist for the ball. Take your time with the body, darling. Not on a 6:30 because you're back in order. Sit down for this, sit down for this, sit down for the jockey. Sit down for this, sit down for this.
So guys, this is what the final look is. Wearing this little dress. This is what the hair look came out with, right? And it's just a little cute bag and such on the shoulder. The dress is so short. Oh my god! I don't know if you can see it. The dress is so short, and I'm wearing this little short heel, because heels and they are not friends, okay? But yeah, the look actually is how the makeup. Yeah, I'm supposed to put on my watch, but I have to change the bands and put on my press-ons. So, but you know I'm late, so I'll do those when I'm ready. But yeah, let's go guys, because the girl is hanging on. Let's go.
If I broke now my business, I'ma try to you right. All I care for the night. And I've been living fast life, but I see it in slow. Oh no, and you see my lifestyle, I got G's in the tub. See many people there outside when they feel like so.
So guys, we're in Starbucks. We're getting something to drink. I think mommy's here with me. Yes guys, so that's it practically. We're getting a caramel frap. Jelly Billy? Auntie Jelly Billy? Oh. My battery is dying, guys. Jenny, so we're here.
Little girl, you know what I'm saying? She's 16, and we're gonna have a good time tonight, you know what I'm saying? So to her mother, cousin June, I call her cousin June. She asked me like 30 minutes ago to MC. Maybe I'll tell some jokes, maybe I'll sing, maybe I'll dance, but it's a room full of Jamaicans, tough crowd. So let's just keep it simple. Alright, so check this out. We want to welcome you all to Cindy's Sweet 16. Tonight is focused on our princess and her memories. I'm going to start by introducing. Tonight we introduce the mother and the father of our princess, Mr. and Mrs. June and Eva. Now and introduce and present our princess's sister, Miss Ashley.